Friends, today we will discuss about Rabi's test. Rabi's test, if summation un is a series of positive terms and limit n tends to infinity, n un upon un plus 1 minus 1 equal to L. If L greater than 1, summation un is convergent, and if L less than 1, summation un is divergent. If L equal to 1, test will be failed, we will apply another test. Now come to the question. Test for convergence the series summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 dot 3 dot 5 dot dot 2n minus 1 upon 2 dot 4 dot 6 dot dot 2n into 1 upon n. Now we have un equal to, it is summation n equal to infinity, it means it is unth term. So un equal to 1 3 5 dot dot 2n minus 1 upon 2 4 6 into 2n to 1 upon n. Un plus 1, this time n will be replaced by n plus 1. N plus 1th term, next term in this series. So 1, 3, 5, 2n minus 1 as it is, next term you will replace n by n plus 1. 2n n minus 1n replaced by n plus 1. So it will be 2n plus 2 minus 1, it means 2n plus 1. So this term will be 2n plus 1 upon 2 dot 4 dot 6 dot 2n as it is. Now x n will be replaced by n plus 1, or it can be written 2n plus 2. So this term will be 2n plus 2. Now 1 upon n replaced by n plus 1. So it will be your un plus 1th term. Now un upon un plus 1, put the value of un 1 into 3 into 5 dot dot 2n minus 1 upon 2 into 4 into 6 dot dot 2n into 1 upon n. It is the value of un into un plus 1. So this term 1 into 3 into 5 dot dot 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon that will be 2 dot 4 dot 6 into 2n plus 2 into n plus 1. Now 2 4 6 2n, it will be cancelled out, 2 4 6 2n, and 1 3 5 2n minus 1 1 3 5 2n minus 1. So from here you will get 2n plus 2 this term and n plus 1. From denominator n into 2n plus 1. It will be your un upon un plus 1 after simplification. Now you will take n common from this term. So from here 2 plus 2 upon n, and n common from second term 1 plus 1 upon n. N into n, it will be n square. From this term also n will be common, 2 plus 1 upon n, and it is n given, n into n square, n into n, that will be n square. This time n square to n square cancel out. Now first we will apply ratio test, because ratio test un upon un plus 1 you need in ratio test. That's why first we will apply ratio test. Limit n tends to infinity un upon un plus 1 equal to limit n tends to infinity this 2 plus 2 upon n into 1 plus 1 upon n upon 2 plus 1 upon n. Now put the value of n. N will be replaced by infinity. That's why it will be 2 plus 2 upon infinity into 1 plus 1 upon infinity upon 2 plus 1 upon infinity, and you know 1 upon infinity, that will be 0. That's why 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 0, 2 into 1 2 upon 2 plus 0 2 cancel 1. When limit 1 in ratio test, test will be failed. Test failed. Now we will apply Rabi's test. Or you know in Rabi's test un upon un plus 1 minus 1 into n. Now put the value of un upon un plus 1. We will take un upon un plus 1, value of un upon un plus 1 from here. It is 2n plus 2 into n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1 into n minus 1. This n as it is. Now you will take LCM. Multiply n in this bracket, 2n square plus n. After taking LCM, it will be multiplying n minus 2n square plus n. It also will be multiplied 2n with n, 2n square, 2n with 1, 2n plus 2 with n, 2n, or 2 into 1, that is 2 upon 2n plus 1 into n. Now you will remove this bracket, simple bracket remove, minus 2n square, plus sign will be changed, it will convert into minus. Now from here 2n square to 2n square cancel out, 4n minus n, it will be 3n plus 2, and this n to this n cancel, denominator 2n plus 1. Now n common from numerator and n from denominator. N from numerator it will convert into 3 plus 2 upon n common 2 plus 1 upon n to n will be cancelled out. Now limit n tends to infinity, n into un upon un plus 1 minus 1. Now put the value of this, limit n tends to infinity, and value of this term, that is your 3 plus 2 upon n upon 2 plus 1 upon n. N will be replaced by infinitive. So 3 plus 2 upon infinitive upon 2 plus 1 upon infinitive, and 1 upon infinitive 0, this term will be 0, it will be 0, 3 upon 2 it is greater than 1. 3 upon 2 greater than 1, hence by Rabi's test, when a limit greater than 1, so series will be convergent. Hence by Rabi's test, the given series converge. Now come to the another question. Test the convergence of the series summation n equal to 1 to infinitive 3 into 6 into n dot dot 3n upon 7 into 10 into 13 dot dot 3n plus 4 into x raised to the power n, where x greater than 0. Now we have un equal to this, un plus 1, n will be replaced by n plus 1 or n plus 1th term in this series next term. So un plus 1, 3 into 6 into 9 into 3n as it is. Now n for next term, n will be replaced by n plus 1. So it can be written 3n plus 3. So this term is 3n plus 3. Denominator 7 into 10 into 13 dot dot 3n plus 4 as it is. And now n will be replaced by n plus 1. 4 as it is, you will remove this bracket, 3n plus 3 plus 4. So 3n plus 7, it will be your 3n plus 7. X raised to the power n replaced by n plus 1. Now un upon un plus 1, you will simplify 3, 6, 9, 3n, that will be cancelled, 3, 6, 9, 3n up to this term, it will be cancelled out. 7, 10, 13, 3n plus 4, 7, 10, 13, 3n plus 4. After simplification, you will get 3n plus 7 upon 3n plus 3 into 1 upon x. Now n common from numerator, it is 3 plus 7 upon n, and n will be common from this term also, 3 plus 3 upon n to n cancel out. Now again we will apply first ratio test, limit n tends to infinity, un upon un plus 1, limit n tends to infinity, put the value of un upon un plus 1 from here, 3 plus 7 upon 9 upon 3 plus 3 upon 9 into 1 upon x. Put the value of n will be replaced by infinitive. 7 upon infinitive 0, 3 upon infinitive 0, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0 upon, it means 3 upon 3, that cancel out, 1 upon x. You will get 1 upon x. By ratio test, summation un converge if 1 upon x greater than 1, or you can say x less than 1. Summation un diverge if 1 upon x less than 1, or you can say x greater than 1. If 1 upon x equal to 1, or you can say x equal to 1, test fails. Now we apply Rabi's test. In Rabi's test, n un upon un plus 1 minus 1. Now n as it is, put the value of un upon un plus 1, that is 3n plus 7 upon 3n plus 3 minus 1. Now you will take LCM, 3n plus 7 as it is, 3n plus 3 it will be multiplying 1 upon 3n plus 3. Now remove this simple bracket, sign will be changed, n as it is, 3n plus 7 minus 3n or minus 3. This time 3n to 3n will be cancelled out, 7 minus 3, 4. So it will be 4n upon denominator as it is 3n plus 3. Now n common from denominator, it will be 3 plus 3 upon n to n cancel out. Now limit n tends to infinity, n un upon un plus 1 minus 1. Put the value of this. Limit n tends to infinity and value of it is 4 upon 3 plus 3 upon n. Now put the value of n will be replaced by infinitive. So 4 upon 3 plus 3 upon infinitive. 3 upon infinitive 0. 4 upon 3 greater than 1. 4 upon 3 greater than 1. By Rabi's test, summation un converges for x equal to 1. Hence the given series converges for x less than or equal to 1 and diverges for x greater than 1. Thank you.